Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever felt like brushing and flossing just doesn't do enough for your oral health? We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a product bundle that could totally elevate your dental routine, giving you cleaner, whiter teeth with minimal effort? Today, we're reviewing the GuruNanda Interdental Picks and Whitening Toothbrush with Flossing Spiral Bristles 1 Squint bundle, designed to take your smile to the next level. Before we jump into the review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest beauty reviews just like this one. Now let's get into it. The GuruNanda bundle features 100 ultra-soft interdental picks and a single whitening toothbrush, all designed to boost your oral care game. These interdental picks are crafted to slide easily between your teeth, gently massaging your gums while removing plaque. The picks are made of BPA-free materials, which I really appreciate, especially for something that goes in my mouth daily. And the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, controlled grip every time. The toothbrush is a standout here too. The spiral bristles are engineered specifically for stain removal, targeting hard-to-reach areas in your mouth for a deeper, more thorough clean. With its unique design, this brush promises not only to clean your teeth effectively, but to also whiten them over time. So whether you have tight spaces between your teeth or just want a cleaner, brighter smile, this bundle has got you covered. Now let me walk you through my experience using the GuruNanda products. Starting with the interdental picks, they're incredibly easy to use. I'm someone who has trouble reaching those tight spots between my teeth, but these picks glide through effortlessly. They massage my gums, and I love the gentle feel. Plus, I notice less plaque buildup between my teeth after just a few uses. No discomfort, no harsh scrubbing, just gentle cleaning. As for the toothbrush, I'm impressed. The spiral bristles really do a number on those hard-to-reach spots. I've been using it for about a week, and I'm seeing noticeable improvements in the brightness of my teeth. The handle is ergonomic and non-slip, making it comfortable to hold, even with wet hands. I've used whitening toothbrushes before, but this one seems to target stains better, especially in those tricky spots around the back teeth. Pros? Let's start with the comfort factor. Both the picks and the toothbrush are easy to use, and they're gentle yet effective. They tackle plaque, stains, and clean tight spaces, all in one go. Plus, the BPA-free materials make me feel confident about their safety. On the flip side, the only downside I'd mention is that the picks can be a bit flimsy for people with more substantial gaps between their teeth. If you have wide spaces, you might want to use them alongside traditional floss for full coverage. Now, is this bundle worth the price? Absolutely. When it comes to oral health, investing in quality products is crucial. The GuruNanda bundle is priced fairly for the performance you're getting. The toothbrush delivers on its whitening claims, and the interdental picks work wonders for cleaning those spaces between your teeth. If you're looking for a more affordable solution than professional treatments, this is a solid alternative. If you're on the fence, there are similar alternatives on the market, but GuruNanda offers a unique combination with the spiral bristles and soft picks that stand out in terms of comfort and effectiveness. You could go for a cheaper option, but these picks are more gentle, and the toothbrush is designed with advanced stain-fighting bristles, which makes it worth the investment in my opinion. As for build quality, I'm pleased. The materials feel premium, and I trust that this toothbrush will last. I also appreciate the ergonomic design of both the brush and the picks. It's clear a lot of thought went into their usability. Is this bundle right for you? If you're someone who struggles with plaque between teeth or looking for an effective way to brighten your smile at home, I highly recommend giving this a try. It's dentist recommended, it's easy to use, and it works. If you've already tried similar products, you'll appreciate the precision and attention to detail that GuruNanda has put into this bundle. If you've used the GuruNanda Interdental Picks and Whitening Toothbrush, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Your thoughts help others make the best choices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the link to purchase the product in the comments or description box. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.